So due to the fact that today's just been a complete and utter washout, really, we're going to do the basic points of the horse. This will just be the basic points of the horse, but it's quite important that we all know what the different points of the horse are called, so that, you know, when we are trying to discuss or describe something, we know the words to use. So we're going to start at the top between the ears, and that is called the poll. That's P-O-L-L, poll. It's quite a sensitive part of the horse. If you was to travel, you sometimes have a poll guard because you wouldn't want the horse to come up and smash its head. Okay, then we get to the crest, which is on the neck. And we're going to the wither. So the wither's the high point where the pommel of the saddle would fit over. So far we have the poll, the crest, the wither. We then get to the back, and that's where the saddle goes, and obviously where you sit. Just behind the back is the loins. That's quite a sensitive part of the back, so you really shouldn't ride two on a horse, really, because it's quite weak at that point. Then we go to the croup, which is the little high point on the bum, working our way down to the dock. So the dock is the gristly bit at the top of the tail, and then followed by the hair of the tail. So that's the tail. The dock is this part at the top. We have the mane, and the little bit of hair at the front is called the forelock. Okay, so working our way down the front, we've got the shoulder. We then got the elbow, which is this little bit in here. So lift her leg up, Lily.
Lift her leg up?
Yeah. And you can see that's the elbow. Okay, let's put it down. We've got the forearm then, followed by the knee. And then the lower part of all four legs are going to be exactly the same. So we're going to go to the cannon bone, then to the fetlock joint, which is that round joint. Then we have the pastern. So the pastern is actually two bones. So you've got the long and the short pastern. So the long part of the pastern, the short part of the pastern, then the long part of the pastern, you've got half of it inside the foot. And the foot has 2.5 bones in it, half being the pastern bone. Okay, then we'll go to work our way down the back leg. We're going to go to the stifle, and then to the gaskin, which is the thigh, to the hock, which is the pointy bit at the back. Then again, like I said, the legs are all the same. So it's cannon bone, to a fetlock, to the pastern, to the hoof. As we see in an earlier video, the frog, but we'll just show you one more time. So the frog is the V shape in the hoof. So they are the basic points of the horse, and if you could learn those, then we could all know what we're talking about when we come to describe or discuss parts of the horse.